How to change line stick to candle on your TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to study the chart properly with a candlestick? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up an app, log in into your account with your own registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now you can see this chart over here. You're going to change it to candle, right? With the help of the candle, you'll be able to study the market more easily and accurately, and also to find out fair value gaps. To change the line stick to candle, just look at the top of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Just simply click on it. Once you click on it, now select candles. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change the line stick to candle on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.